Hi, Caspar here from Bowes Wine on the 1st of November 2016. I'm tasting this evening a St Emilion from the rather fabulous 2010 vintage. This is one of the wines from the portfolio of properties owned by Englishman Jonathan Maltus. This is Château Laforge, and Château Laforge is, I suppose, sort of designed to be a top-notch sort of generic St Emilion in that it has the grapes that go into it are grown in three different soil types. Anyway, here we go. Quite punchy at 14.5% alcohol. Not opaque, you know, it's a dark wine, but it doesn't look sort of forced in any way. But let's have a go. Nice nose. There's still a bit of oak showing, but just a beautiful, really quite fresh and nicely defined red and black fruit aroma, and it's plum basically. It hasn't got the most outstanding complexity yet. I mean, you know, don't forget this is 2010, which is going to be a fairly slow growing, developing vintage. Even I think on this right bank with the Merlots of the right bank. So delicious, bit of blueberry, perhaps a bit of sort of summer flowers. It's a very nice. It's got super purity, good focus, as I say. Nice wine. Let's taste it. Fascinating taste. I mean, these 2010s. And this wine is you know, it's quite drinkable now, I must say. It hasn't got the big tannins that some of the 10s, I think, of the left bank really can have. It's at the finish, perhaps it comes in a bit. It's even got a faint whisper of bitterness about the very finish, but I think that'll sweeten and fill out with time. What's remarkable about these 10s is how cool they are. I mean, to be 14.5% alcohol and still so focused, so pure, so elegant, really. You know, but lacking breadth. You know, they're very much sort of upright wines rather than horizontal wines, and it's quite disarming density there. I'm sure there's a lot of tannin, but it's very fine. It's very ripe. It's but actually, when you look closer, it's, you know, it's fresh tannin within. It's very nice. It's you know, I think it's the wine just starting out into its window of drinkability. I think it's got years to go. Nicely long. I think it's perhaps a little close. It's not giving its all. I think with Merlot it's quite difficult perhaps to judge, because Merlot's, you know, it's not necessarily as structured as Cabernet, and it can seem disarmingly open perhaps when it's not giving it all, and I think this is the wine that probably will keep for quite a long time. But you know, drinkable now, I think, for a fairly simple experience, but I think keeping it will add complexity and interest, no doubt. Very nice. Anyway, there we are, 2010 Château Laforge, St Emilion. Very nice indeed.